Okay, we are going to enter Canva. So we write Canva in Google. The first one that you see, we click on it. And we are going to log in. Okay, so you're going to use Google. You're going to choose the account of the school at colegiopadregarralda.edu.es. So you click on it, you put your password, okay, the first time you enter, probably they will ask if you're a student or a teacher, so you say you're a student, and now we're going to look for a template. Because we're talking about the rules in the computer lab, we can put computer lab rules, or you can put school rules or whatever. Okay. Imagine that I like this one. I click on it and I say personaliza esta plantilla. And now we're going to edit. Imagine that I don't like that here it says room 503, so I click on it and I write computer lab, for example. I don't like that it says all this, so I only wanted to say rules. And now imagine that I don't like, I don't like this one. So I can put it in the bin. Imagine that I want to add a text. So on the left-hand side, you click text, añadir caja de texto. Okay, and you move it, and you click on it, and you write. Imagine that you want the text to be bigger. I cannot see it, so here I select the text and I do it bigger. Okay, or smaller. I can change the type of font, the color, the effects. Now we're doing a poster, so we don't want effects. Okay, so you're going to choose whatever you want. I'm going to throw it to the bin. I can want to look for, I don't know, a computer. So I look at the different elements. Okay, I choose one that I don't have to pay for. I click on it. I can do it bigger, I can do it smaller. As you can see, the text is on top. I can move it forward. Okay, move it forward or backwards. I can block the element so it doesn't move anymore. It's all up to me. Here, I'm going to put it here. Here. But I want it on the back, for example. I don't know. Whatever you want. And you can also throw it to the bin. Maybe you want to draw this. Today in this project we're not drawing. You select, you change the color, and you draw whatever you want. If you want to undo, on the top you have undo. Okay, and you have all these things. Here in Archivo, you have the title. Okay, and you can change it as Computer Lab Rules, for example. Now we have finished our project and we want to download it. So we click in compartir, descargar, and in this project we wanted a PDF to print because we're going to print them. Maybe you want an image, okay, a normal PDF, maybe a video. In this case we wanted PDF for impression. Then you say descargar and it will finish. When we want to go back to the beginning, we click in the menu, Inicio, and we go back to the first page. Very important to log off when we finish. Click cerrar sesión and we're out.